In this tour, we learn the basics of creating and using groups to organize our twins in the cloud. To start, go back to portal.thingscube.io on your browser and open the Digital Twin Viewer to confirm our second twin is also synchronizing with the cloud. To keep things manageable as deployments grow, we organize digital twins in groups. Using the Configuration/Accounts menu, we can configure groups for teams we own and teams we belong to. Groups are collections of digital twins that meet common criteria. For the sample, we will create a group to represent the gateways in our account. Our sample group will include digital twins whose type reported property is equal to the word gateway. To reference any tag in your digital twins, type the word properties.reported followed by the name of the tag you want to evaluate. You can compare based on equality, inequality, or relative order. After saving changes, we can use the new group as a filtering tool in each of the various dashboards.